Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today we are going to make the fingerprint test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this unlock method. So I just scan my finger, this one, and we are going to lock the screen. And by the way, we are actually using the tempered glass, so it will be also the good opportunity to check how this fingerprint works with the tempered glass. I think that we are going to make something like the 5 tries. So let's start. You have to wait until this animation pops on the screen, because when you put the finger too fast, like in my case, it is not always working, right? So just be patient and wait for the animation on the screen. So clearly it is reliable, but it's not working that fast like on the S21 or S21 Ultra, the new smartphones from the Samsung, but for sure it works good. So I can recommend you this lock method on the Redmi K30 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!